Login to 922s5 proxy account and VMLogin. Select country. Select state. Select city. Click search. Right-click. Click on 30,000 used. Display extract IP success. Click port forwarding list. Let's copy one of them and use it. Click New Browser Profile on VMLogin. Fill in your name. Click Setting Proxy Server. Enable Proxy Server function. Select SOX5 proxy in proxy type. Click Paste Proxy info. Click the test proxy. Shows that the test passed. Click Confirm. Click Save. Click Save Profile. Click Confirm. The browser profile has been successfully added. Right-click the logged browser in the default group. Successfully entered. IP has been replaced. IP address is the same as 922s5. Teaching process used by 922s5 proxy agent in VMLogin.